Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a fascinating English word that's sure to enhance your vocabulary. The word of the day is accumulation. It's a C1 level noun that means a gradual collection or gathering of things. Let's break it down. Accumulation refers to the process of things building up over time. You might use it to describe a growing pile of papers on your desk, the increasing number of unread emails in your inbox, or even a steady savings account. It's all about the idea of things adding up bit by bit. Now, let's explore some synonyms for accumulation. Words like collection, gathering, amassing, and aggregation carry similar meanings. For instance, you might say, "The collection of artwork in the museum is truly impressive," or "Over the years, his gathering of rare coins has grown significantly." These words show how similar concepts can fit into different contexts. On the other hand, antonyms for accumulation include dispersal, reduction, dissipation, and scattering. For example, the dispersal of seeds by the wind ensures new plants grow far from the parent tree, or the company's financial struggles led to a reduction in their resources. These examples highlight the opposite action of breaking down or spreading out rather than building up. In everyday life, you might use accumulation in all sorts of ways. Imagine someone saying, "There's been an accumulation of snow on the roads after last night's storm." Or a teacher might warn, "An accumulation of missed homework assignments can really hurt your grade." It's a versatile word that often pops up in both formal and casual conversations. Here are a few more sentences with accumulation to help you see it in action. The accumulation of wealth is often a goal for many entrepreneurs. The scientist studied the accumulation of pollutants in the river over the past decade. Over time, the accumulation of small habits can lead to big changes in your life. To wrap things up, accumulation is all about the gradual gathering of things, and it's a word you can easily incorporate into both your professional and personal vocabulary. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear how you'd use accumulation in a sentence. Drop your example in the comments and let's keep the conversation going.
See you next time.